So this is the Silver Buckle Ranch near Sebastopol in California. And this is Jazz. Come on, Jazzy. She's a quarter horse. She's about 13 years old. And she's a lot of fun to ride. Wasn't bad. Okay, let's walk. I'm going to trot her around a couple of times so she gets loosened up. Easy, girl. And she's what they call a very forward horse, meaning she absolutely wants to go as fast as she can. That's her norm. And so all the effort and work with her is to keep her slow her down. So that's in marked contrast to many of the geldings, which are quite the opposite. You have to coax them into high speed, and then they're always looking for an excuse to go back down to a trot. She's just the opposite. She wants to just get up and go. So all my work with her has been trying to figure out how to keep her slow. What they do on this ranch is it's quarter horses that do Western competition. So it'll be the barrel racing and the pole bending. Basically, it's taking horses around at high speed through very rapidly turning obstacles. Might be poles, might be barrels. And the events last very short amount of time, maybe 10 seconds. But in those 10 seconds, the horses are really moving fast. And the quarter horses are especially good at this because they're like the sprinters of the horse world. And quarter horses got their name because they were raced on quarter-mile tracks. So they have a lot of tremendous acceleration, and on a quarter mile they're the fastest. But then they quickly run out of stamina because they're not built for endurance. Oh. Yeah, that was better. That was slower. Ho, ho, ho. Girl. So there you have it. Isn't she something? But this is like nothing. I'm holding her back. Plus I'm not in a saddle. Okay. Whoa. Ta-da. Now we're done. In the last year, I've really come to come to understand her. To figure out how to communicate. It's being able to communicate with her really more than anything else. Thank you, Jazz.